Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Papa Audio Mighty Portable Speaker. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker from Papa Audio. This is what it looks like. It has this unique rugged design to it. It's a 15-watt portable speaker. It is drop-proof and shock-proof. It also comes with true wireless speakers. Do we have any more information? It comes with LED lights and a wired microphone. This is a Karaoke microphone that comes with. Alright, Bluetooth version, it supports Bluetooth version 5.1, transmission range is 10 meters, charging time is 2 hours, and battery capacity is 2000 mAh, and working time is up to 4 hours. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So these are the components of this particular box. We have this is a set of instructions from Papa Audio. And there is also this particular user manual. This is basically a user manual for the Papa Mighty portable speaker. Next we have a micro USB charging cable. There you can see this, the micro USB charging cable. And this is a BNC to 6.35 mm cable. This is basically for this particular karaoke mic that came with this particular set there. I'll show you the karaoke mic. So there you go, this is what the mic looks like, and this is the cable that comes with it for when you want to sing. And this is the portable speaker in question. There you can see it has a Papa logo right over here. It has this rugged design. This will not get scratched, or even you will notice that the surface has this rugged texture to it. This will not get scratched, or will it break if it drops down, a particular height. It also comes with this carry handle, so you'll be able to carry this around anywhere. It has these two speakers inside. This particular speaker has a total sound output of 15 watts. On this side we have some controls. This is the mode button, the play pause button, and a volume up and down button. This side we have some ports. These are the TF card slot, USB-A slot, a micro USB slot. This is for attaching the mic. There's a 6.35 mm port, and there's also a 3.5 mm port. Finally, this is the power on off button. I'll switch it on for now and see if this works.
Bluetooth mode.
You saw the RGB LED breathing lights and keeps making that sound, which means that it's in pairing mode right now and it's waiting to be paired. In another video, I'll show you how to do that. But this is what you find inside the box containing the Papa Audio Mighty portable speaker. Thank you for watching.